Post-meal walks. You finish eating, don't sit, walk. A short walk after meals signals your body to manage blood sugar more efficiently. Your muscles pull in glucose, easing the load on insulin and preventing energy crashes. It also activates your gut, supporting digestion and reducing bloating. This one simple move lowers inflammation and helps with weight control. No sweat required. Especially at night, a walk after dinner can improve your sleep and metabolic health. It's not exercise, it's maintenance. A 10-minute walk after eating tells your body, cleanup has started. Every step helps. Sleeping in total darkness. Darkness isn't just about comfort, it's chemistry. Melatonin, your body's sleep and repair hormone, is only released in low light. Even small amounts of light, like a phone screen or hallway glow, can delay or reduce melatonin output. That means lower quality sleep and slower overnight healing. But full darkness triggers a deep release of melatonin, which supports immune function, tissue repair, and memory formation. It tells your brain, day is over, time to fix everything. Black out your room, cover lights, and keep your sleep cave sacred. Your body heals best when it's completely offline. Eating until you're 80% full. Stuffing yourself tells your body to focus on storage, not healing. But stopping at 80% full gives your digestive system space to work. This reduces bloating, eases pressure on your pancreas, and lowers inflammation linked to overeating. In Okinawa, where life expectancy is among the highest in the world, this practice is called hara hachibu. It's not about restriction, it's about respect, knowing when your body has had enough. It keeps metabolism smooth, blood sugar stable, and digestion efficient. You don't need to count calories, you need to listen before you're stuffed. Getting morning sunlight. That hit of sunlight in the morning? This tells your body, it's daytime, get moving. It boosts serotonin, resets melatonin, and sets the schedule for your hormones, mood, and energy. No morning light means delayed sleep, foggy thinking, and low energy all day. You don't need to tan, you just need to stand outside. Even 10 minutes is enough to hit reset on your biological systems. Spending time in silence. Your brain is bombarded all day. Conversations, alerts, background noise. Silence gives your nervous system a rare chance to reset. Even 5 minutes without input can lower cortisol, reduce sensory overload, and improve focus. It's like hitting mute on your environment and letting your brain catch its breath. In quiet, your brain shifts into default mode. You're not being lazy, you're actively restoring mental energy. Silence also balances the overstimulation that modern life constantly feeds you. It's not about meditation, it's about giving your brain space to recalibrate. Stretching in the morning. You wake up stiff for a reason. During sleep, your fascia, the connective web around your muscles, tightens to keep you still. Stretching tells your body, we're safe, you can let go now. It improves circulation, loosens that sticky fascia, and gets blood moving to places that felt frozen overnight. A few minutes of slow movement in the morning can flip your body from survival mode into healing mode. Breathing through your nose. Nose breathing isn't just quieter, it's smarter. When you breathe through your nose, you filter air, warm it, and deliver it more efficiently to your lungs. Even better, you release nitric oxide, which opens up blood vessels and boosts oxygen delivery throughout your body. This improves focus, lowers stress, and helps regulate blood pressure. Mouth breathing does none of that. Crying when you need to. Crying isn't weakness, it's chemical release. Tears triggered by emotion carry stress hormones like cortisol out of your body. They also activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which tells your body to calm down and begin repair. It reduces heart rate, lowers muscle tension, and increases oxytocin, the hormone tied to bonding and comfort. You're not just releasing emotion, you're clearing stress from your nervous system. Crying is how your body detoxes feelings, it's healing. Practicing gratitude daily. Gratitude rewires your brain for resilience. When you focus on what's going well, your brain releases dopamine and reduces activity in regions linked to fear and stress. This changes how you respond to challenges. Daily gratitude also lowers inflammation markers in the body. You're literally improving your immune function just by reflecting on something positive. This isn't toxic positivity. It's mental training that shifts your brain out of survival mode. It takes 2 minutes, costs nothing, and makes your brain better at recovery. Gratitude is a form of internal medicine. Taking deep belly breaths. Your breath is a remote control for your nervous system. When you breathe deep into your belly, it activates your vagus nerve, the command switch for rest, digestion, and healing. This slows your heart rate, lowers cortisol, and tells your body it's safe to repair. Most people breathe shallow, fast, and high in the chest, which keeps the body in defense mode. Belly breathing flips that script. It's one of the fastest ways to shift from survive to restore. No equipment, no time commitment. Just you, your breath, and a few seconds of control. Your nervous system listens. You just have to give the signal. Drinking water after waking. You wake up running on empty. Before you sip caffeine, your body needs water to restart digestion, clear out toxins, and turn your brain back on. A glass of water after waking helps every system reset. Water, it's a biological necessity. No water equals slower thinking, weaker digestion, and sluggish energy. Start the day by giving your cells exactly what they've been waiting for. Turning off screens before bed. Your brain thinks screen light means sunlight. Blue light from your phone or TV delays melatonin release, keeping your brain alert long after it should be slowing down. That means shallow sleep, restless dreams, and slow overnight recovery. But if you shut down screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed, your brain starts producing melatonin naturally. This leads to deeper sleep, better immune repair, and stronger memory consolidation. Laughing with people you trust. Laughter isn't just fun, it's chemistry. When you laugh, especially with people you feel safe around, your brain releases a cocktail of feel-good chemicals, endorphins, dopamine, oxytocin. These lower stress hormones reduce physical pain and boost your immune system. Shared laughter also builds trust, which strengthens emotional resilience. And that's linked to faster recovery from illness, injury, and burnout. Laughter is the most underrated therapy you already know how to do. Taking short movement breaks. Long hours of sitting at your desk? Breaking that up with short bursts of movement like standing, stretching, or walking for a minute keeps everything flowing. It boosts blood flow to your brain, reactivates your muscles, and signals your lymphatic system to flush out waste. This isn't exercise, it's physical maintenance. Think of it as a manual refresh button for your body's internal systems. Waking up at the same time every day. Your body loves rhythm, not random alarms. Real, internal rhythm. When you wake up at the same time every day, your brain locks into a schedule. Hormones start showing up on time. Your gut knows when to digest. Your sleep becomes deeper. It's like your cells are following a script, but only if you show up on time. Waking up consistently is the anchor that holds everything else in place. It tells your brain, the day has started. Run the program. No supplements, no hacks. Just you, the sun, and a working clock. Eating whole foods. Your body knows what to do with real food. Whole, unprocessed ingredients come with fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients that reduce inflammation and support cell repair. Your gut microbiome thrives on this kind of fuel. Heavily processed food confuses your body. It spikes your blood sugar, feeds harmful bacteria, and adds zero value to the repair process.